Hello, sir. I hope you are well. So I need your YouTube channel manager access. So how give me a manager access? So first of all, go to youtube.com and go to the YouTube landing page and click the your channel logo and click YouTube Studio. So then YouTube Studio come in and go to the setting option and click setting option. So show the menu option. Just you click a permissions. So permission option. Then write the email, click the invited and write the email I will send you here. So type this my sending email. So email address type and select access. So I need your manager access. Then you click a manager and click done and just you send, click the send button, save button and access done. Thank you.